Chapter 36. At the post office. Our character is an old man. His son is in abroad. Yesterday, he received a letter from his son. His son often requested him to send the Myanmar traditional foods to him. So, the old man goes to the supermarket and buys the Myanmar traditional food, such as green tea leaf salad, Myanmar ready-made cuisines, etc. After that, he packs them as a parcel. Now he is ready to go to the post office. The post office is far from the supermarket, so he takes the taxi. At the post office, there are some people joining the queue, so he joins the queue. When he is joining the queue, he takes chat with the people before and after him, as he is a social man. The queue is going one by one. After a few minutes, his turn comes, so he goes to the counter. At the counter, the young clerk agrees with him friendly as the old man always sends the parcel for his son monthly. The old man puts the parcel on the counter and asks the clerk, "Hey, dear boy, I want to send these letters to my son as usual. I think it might be £3. Please scale it." So the young man scales it and says, "You're right, dear uncle. It's £3. And then he takes the note paper on the parcel and says, "The old man, it costs £5. The old man gives him the money for the parcel and tips for him. The boy says, "Thank you, uncle. Rest assured, I will do it carefully." The old man replies him, "Thanks a lot," and says goodbye.